Having an edge in the megapixels confers two main advantages. Firstly, you can produce images with extraordinary detail. At the same time, it can be cropped for a closer perspective, with little to no loss in image quality. Another advantage of high-resolution cameras is in the professional use where large-format photos are required. In this video, we have gathered 5 of the best high-resolution cameras that can meet your needs. When Canon released the 5DSR back in February 2015, it was undoubtedly one of the highest resolution cameras out there. Despite the recent abundance, it still holds a secure 5th place on this roundup because of its impressive performance. This DSLR camera comes with a 50.6 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, dual Digic 6 image processors, and continuous shooting up to 5 frames per second. In addition, the higher resolution helps landscape photographers get astonishing details from their images. Moreover, this camera features a pentaprism viewfinder, 1/8000 shutter speed, and 61 focus points that work accurately even under challenging situations. But that doesn't mean it's perfect. Its shortcomings are mainly found in its lack of wireless connection, touchscreen, and image stabilization. And while it can produce sharp videos, the maximum recording capabilities of Full HD videos at 30 frames per second is not ideal for serious video production. Overall, the Canon 5DSR is not a perfect all-rounder, but when it comes to pure image quality, it does not disappoint, making it highly desirable for some nostalgic photographers. Nikon D850 is yet another high-resolution camera that has retained its popularity due to its top-notch still and video capturing ability. Featuring a 45.7 megapixel full-format BCI CMOS sensor, this camera can produce stunning images even at higher ISO. Besides, the X-Speed 5 image processor is fast enough to shoot 7 frames per second for 51 images with auto exposure and autofocus turned on, making it adequate for beginner wildlife shooting. As far as videos are concerned, this camera can shoot 4K UHD at up to 30 frames per second, and for slow motion videos, it lets you shoot Full HD at 120 frames per second. The autofocus system of this camera includes 153 total phase detection points, including 99 cross-type autofocus. Besides, it also features focus peaking to give you an excellent focusing sense. This camera can withstand dust and rain while shooting outdoors, all thanks to the weather-sealed construction. Therefore, the Nikon D850 is a perfect camera for outdoor landscape shootings for its higher resolution and other features. Next on our list is the Sony A7R Mark IV, which has the highest megapixel count offered by any Sony camera. It can produce a whopping 240 megapixel still photos by merging images. At the heart of this camera, it has a 61 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated Exmor-R CMOS sensor backed up by a powerful Bionz X image processor. Combining both, you can get ample details with an excellent dynamic range. Besides the overwhelming resolution, it also features 4K videos at 30 frames per second, continuous shooting at 10 frames per second, real-time autofocus tracking in movie mode, and many more. Other features to love about this camera are its 5.6M dot EVF, built-in 5-axis image stabilization, and dual UHS-2 card slots. On top of that, it offers various options for file transferring, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. Lastly, this camera has a better grip and improved controls than the past A7 series models. Considering all, we can say that the Sony Alpha 7R4 remains a big competition among the best high-resolution cameras on the market. Pushing image quality to a new standard, now introducing the Hasselblad H6D 400C, the ultimate mirrorless medium format camera with the high-resolution images and color accuracy for highly professional users. It features a whopping 100 megapixel CMOS sensor capable of multiple shooting of a single composition. Furthermore, it can capture 6 sequential images and combine them into a single 400 megapixel picture to attain the high level of sharpness and color accuracy possible. With 15 stops of dynamic range and 16-bit color depth, This camera lets you shoot images and videos with stunning looking color. This camera is also fast enough to capture UHD 4K videos at 30 frames per second. As for the storage, this camera comes with dual CFast and SD memory card slots for faster file saving and transmission. Overall, the Hasselblad H6D400C is best suited for high-budget commercial content makers where quality is the absolute priority. Last but not least, let's talk about the Fujifilm GFX 100S, a modern, stylish and travel-friendly medium format camera with excellent features for both stills and videos, and is overall the best high-resolution camera on this list. Equipped with a 102-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and X-Processor 4, this camera can shoot high-res images and 4K videos at 30 frames per second. One thing to consider is that the sensor is BSI, meaning excellent performance in highlights and shadows, lower noise and higher ISO, and superb low-light sensitivity. Moreover, it can shoot with f-log gamma and 12-bit RAW out for stunning colors. With 425 points face detection autofocus, this high-end camera ensures that your subject always remains in focus. And to make your footage buttery smooth, it also comes with 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization. Moreover, the 3.69 million dot OLED EVF, 3.2 inches tilting LCD touchscreen, and dual UHS 2 SD memory card slots make it a genuinely feature-packed camera in a compact and lightweight body. To conclude, the Fujifilm GFX 100S is the pinnacle when it comes to image quality and color reproduction. Hence, it can deliver you the images that you have always dreamed of. So, that's all about the 5 best high-resolution camera just for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.